Okay, so I forgot to make sure I wasn't recording over anything, so I probably just recorded over a video. Or the ending of a video. Oh well, whatever. This is the backup server. And I'm still waiting for the piece that will let me hook this up. I don't know when it's going to get here. There's no tracking because people apparently think that's acceptable in the year 2020. So I don't know. And I'm tired of waiting, which practically means that as soon as I finish this and put this back, that's when it'll show up. Whatever. Either way, one thing I did do, and the thing that I did here, is you can see I've replaced the single serial ATA connection because I got in a dual, which is right there. Now, you can't really see it because this camera's blind. Apparently I gotta get a flashlight. You can see they're backwards. So whichever moron designed this stupid thing designed it backwards. That's not how it showed up in the listing. It showed up in the listing as a straight connection. You know, like these were. Of course, again, because the camera is totally blind, I gotta do this. It showed up like that. So, I don't know. I'm in half a mind to give the seller a talking to that they're not as described. But I guess that's kind of pedantic because they're serial ATA power connectors. I guess as long as it's not dead, it works just fine. So I guess we're going to find out whether or not it's dead. I'm sure some enterprising soul is going to complain about the fact that I've got a fan going, like they always do in my videos for some stupid reason. You know what? Get used to it. I'm really tired of that nonsense. Should make you live without any kind of air movement at all for a day, and you see how you like it. Turn this on. It should work. Of course, if I set this correctly, it'll work a little better. Beep. Asus Express Gate. Make sure there's no degraded arrays, which there shouldn't be, but there probably will be because my life is a frickin' comedy. Wow. So let it boot. Don't complain for no reason whatsoever. Actually, probably not a good idea to do that because it's got a special network connection. So I'll just let it boot and make sure that it actually still boots. It should have. Yeah, it was 88.0, 88.1, and 88.2. Looks good to me. So we'll let it start, I'll shut it down, and then we'll go to the web interface. Okay, now before I get started, I feel the need to mention this, although it really doesn't matter. People do it anyway, whether I mention it or not. In fact, apparently somebody... I'll get to that in a second, but, yes, I am recording a screen with a camcorder. If you've got a problem with it, you can go away, because I don't give half a damn about any of your personal wishes and wants. You know what, this is some rinky-dink 5-minute long video. I'm not wasting my time to set up screen recorder software. Okay? So, no. You can put up with this or you can shut up. That's how that's gonna work. It's just the same as the people who complain, it's not high definition. You know what, I don't care what definition it's in. You don't like the video that I put out, you can GTFO. Go find some other friggin' video on YouTube. There's like a million, billion, trillion of them now. You know, I'm sure you will find what you're looking for if you actually look for it. Save all the people who don't give a damn about your bullshit the trouble of reading your bullshit. Anyway. Sorry. So, okay. So we're coming to discs. I have to go to disk management. I suppose I should zoom right into the screen so all the idiots who think, I can't see what you're looking at, you know, ridiculous. If I can read it, you can read it. My eyesight is terrible. There's only one drive. Let's see. Backups for main disk. That's what we'll call it. Shut up. Nobody asked for your opinion. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I don't even remember what I should set this to. 300. What I'm going to set it to. Acoustic level, activate smart monitoring. We'll call it unformatted. I actually don't even know what it is. And I think it's actually like X4 or something, which isn't even on this list anyway. So we'll just say unformatted. Because I don't care. I'm going to format it anyway. I don't think it really matters. So I want UFS. Where the hell is this stupid drive? Unknown or unformatted. I don't want to format the wrong one, you know. Volume label emergency 1. Are you kidding me? Emergency 1. Right? Not difficult to enter when I type in. I think it's an advanced format drive. Really don't care. Not going to enable it. I never have. It's never mattered. Format. And so now we'll sit here and wait for 5 billion years for this to finish. Huzzah! And it's done. Okay, so now we go to mount point. I need to add one. Disk. This is a disk. I want backups for main disk. GPT-1. Mount point is emergency 1. Sorry. Backups for main disk. And I'm going to, oh, actually maybe not. No, I'll leave the permissions on its own for a second. I want to check the other one and just see what's set up there. Okay. Cancel. Come back to you. And then we'll do this. That's the way that it was set up on the other one. That's the way it'll be set up on this one. Say, apply changes. There we go. Works just fine. And So the mount point's good. Do I actually have? I do. So I might as well set that up. Crap. What did I call it? Alright. It might actually do something useful. Enter a comment. Really? Who cares? There. Emergency 1. Should be nothing on that drive. It should be read only. No guest access. Leave all that alone. I don't need a recycle bin. It's just going to clutter stuff up anyway. Everything else should be fine. There's no ZFS. ZFS is garbage anyway. And yes, that's what I said, and yes, that's what I meant. We'll go ahead and we'll add it. And I don't know, we'll make sure it's configured the same as this, which it should be. Well, probably not. Anyway, it doesn't matter. And rsync. This is the main thing. The main thing. This can be dumped. I don't need it. It's pretty useless. Yes. Yes, I do. Alright. Delete rsync jobs. Oh, guess what it didn't do? Oh, I hit disable. Delete selected rsync jobs. Helps to actually look at what you're trying to do, you know? Anyway. So I want to go source share should be backups 1 to emergency 1. Alright. As root, synchronization time 00 on the 4th day, actually, is what I'll set it to. Of all months. I don't even know what the weekdays stupid thing does. Seems kind of dumb to me. Recurse, preserve, delete, use the default, Preserve, add. So we'll apply changes, and we will go to this one, and I'm actually going to set that to 3. Not that, go away. That should all be good. Should be good the way that it is set up. Alright. So save it. We'll apply the changes. We'll go to this emergency 1 thing, and I'm going to actually hit execute, because that's kind of what I want to do. And so it'll run, or maybe it won't run. Yeah, here we go. So you can see the activity. Things are happening. Excellent. So with any luck, that'll work properly. That's going to do it for this video. I don't have anything else to share with you.